Hello, how's it going, guys? This is Susti Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com. And for today's recipe, this is from Indonesia, boiled veggies salad. And this salad is called Urap Sayur, and it's always using grated coconut. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! So one bunch of long beans, Chinese long beans, just slice them. Also one head of cabbage, just rip them. I also have half bag of bok choy, one frozen spinach. So this is how we're gonna do it. Bring a pot of water to boil. This is about 2.5 quart, and once it's boiling, we're gonna drop in our veggies. This water boiling. Add in a little bit of salt to flavor it, and now we're gonna drop in our long beans and cabbage, like so. And again, boil it until somewhat soften, it's up to you. Some people like sorry some people like the veggies to be softened, some other likes a little bit crunchy, so it's up to you. Strain the water and then use the same water to boil the rest of the veggies. For the bean sprout and spinach, it won't take long, just like not even 1 minute when it's boiling water. For the long beans and the cabbage, I boiled them for 5 minutes until softened, while for the bok choy it will be like 1 minute as well, the same as bean sprout and spinach, because we only need to blanch them, like, you know, just soften a bit and then that's it. Again, for the bean sprout and spinach, just dip in and dip out. Just dip in and take them out. Now what I have here is about 2 heaping teaspoon of hardened shrimp paste, which is terasi in Indonesia. And this is 7 garlic, 5 bird eye chilies, and 1 medium size of onion with 1/4 cup of water. We're just gonna make a paste, and we're just gonna mix the paste into the shrimp paste, and then we're gonna add seasoning. I'm gonna use chicken bouillon powder and a little bit of sugar, as well lesser ginger or lesser galangal, which is known as kencur in Indonesia. That's for the fragrance and the flavor as well. So that's about half tablespoon of chicken bouillon powder and half heaping teaspoon of kencur. In the end, I'm gonna use stevia instead sugar. We're just gonna mix that and cook until bubbly. Once bubbly, we're gonna add in 1 bag of unsweetened desiccated coconut. Choose the fine one and mix to combine. So you want to cook this until totally combined and kind of dry. You can mix this into the veggies, mix until completely combined. While it's still warm, it's up to you, but I like to cool it to room temperature because I'm adding cucumbers, and cucumbers definitely is not something to cook. So to ensure that they are mixed nicely, I layered the coconut mixture first and then the veggies, and then I'm gonna top this with another coconut layer and then followed with veggies, and then I mix it so that I know everything is coated nicely. Before we fully mix them, don't forget to slice or cube your cucumber and mix it to the bowl. So mix it until completely combined. I'm using glove hand. You can use spatula or wooden spoon. Spatula would be too flimsy. It's up to you, as long as they are completely combined. There you go. You can serve it as is to accompany your rice, fried fish, fried chicken. It's up to you.